I like to support my friends on Kickstarter. And that means that I occasionally get packages in the mail that come at random times and I have no idea where they came from. And maybe I actually did order something and I forgot about it. Sometimes I order something and I do remember about it. Anyway, today is an unboxing. This came, was not expecting it, and it's from Gamerati in Lakewood, Washington. And I'm kind of going, Gamerati? It's not ringing any bells, but then my bells are way in the back. So let's open this up. Got a handy little knife here. Going to keep that handy. Let's see what we have. Oh, the anticipation is killing me. Okay, what's microaggression? It says on this card deck. Did I support somebody's game? A reality check based game. Okay. With the micro disc. Oh yeah. So here we have reality check. The game of privilege. Oh, it's heavy. Oh, let's see. It's in the shrink wrap. This box contains one board, 223 cards, 150 tokens, 5 character stand-ups, 6 die, 6 stands, 6 player pieces, and 1 rule book. Be the first to complete your life achievements while the game and your friends actively check your privilege. You will toil with student debt or get stuck in Git mode. Will you be born into the fortune or fall victim to hate? The American dream comes crumbling down in this unforgettable adventure. And this is what the game board looks like on the back. And I think I might just keep this wrapped up and give it as a gift to one of my friends. Or maybe hold it off as a possible prize. Because right now, I can't play board games with any of my friends because of the pandemic, and I'm really bummed out about that. And I have several friends who are big gamers, and maybe if I hold this out and say, hey, I got this nifty game, why don't you invite me over and we'll do some gaming? And but right now, nobody's going to be inviting me over anytime soon because of the pandemic, not because I'm such a charming personality. Anyway, that's today's unboxing.